Good morning, students. Today we are going to discuss the topic of industrial estates. To promote industrial development, Government of India has initiated several measures and provided various incentives. Setting up of the industrial estate is one such measure. The government launched the program of setting up of industrial estates in the year 1955. The state government is responsible for planning, developing and maintaining the industrial estates. The central government provides the required financial assistance for the setting up of the industrial estates. Financial assistance of the central government in the form of loans, grants, and subsidies are provided to the state government. An industrial estate is a place where the necessary infrastructure facilities are made available to the entrepreneur. Industrial parks, industrial zones, industrial area, industrial township are some of the other terms used to denote industrial estates. Objectives of the industrial estates are: it ensures the well planned and structured industrial development, provide necessary infrastructure facilities and common facilities to a number of industries. It also promotes the development of the clusters and enables small units to source products from one another. It also ensures the dispersal of the industries and promote balanced regional development. It also ensures the development of backward areas and provide climate for the smooth development of the industrial enterprises. Types of industrial estates: there are four types of industrial estates. First one is a composite industrial estate. These units comprise of a wide variety of industries. Matlab means under one industrial estates there are variety of industries available under one head. That is paper industry, sugar industry, cotton industry. All the types of industries are available under one head. Special purpose: these are those industrial estates under which the manufacturing of the single specific item is continued, like handicraft or machine tools or knitwears. Ancillary industrial estates: these comprise of the firm which manufacture ancillary products. They are found in the industries like automobiles, electronics, leather good, which provide ancillary products to the major concern manufacturing the final finished product for the consumers. Flattened industrial estates: they comprise of the multi-storied building where lightweight goods are produced with the help of machine tools. Features of industrial estates are: separate plots and shed. The entire land allocated to the estate is divided into different plots and the sheds. These plots and sheds are then allocated to the entrepreneurs at economical cost. Cluster: an industrial estate is a planned cluster of units. For example, Tirupur is a planned cluster of knitwear and hosiery. Ludhiana is a planned cluster of machine tools. Surat is for diamonds. Regional development: industrial estate provide regional development. They have been instrumental in developing the backward areas in the country. They provide employment opportunities to many of the unemployed youth in the regions where in which they are located. Common infrastructure such as road, electricity, water, telecommunication, postal facilities, banks, etc. are provided in the industrial estates. All the enterprises located in the industrial estates can access the infrastructure facilities located in the area. Promote industrialization: industrial estate promote industrialization and economic development. They provide the necessary facilities for setting up of the industries. Since the required infrastructure is made available, entrepreneurs feel encouraged to set up industrial enterprises. Different sizes: industrial estates can be promoted in different sizes based on the land availability, requirement and potential for the development. Developed in all areas: industrial estates can be developed in the areas such as urban, suburban, rural areas. They can be developed in developed as well as in underdeveloped areas. Promotion through any agency: industrial estates can be set up by the government, cooperatives or by private agencies. It can be set up by the public private partnership as well. Merits of the industrial estates: provision of premises and amenities at reasonable cost. Industrial estates provide premises, that is land and factory shed, for the establishment of new industrial undertakings, and also other amenities such as power, water, transport, etc. at reasonable cost. Hence, the entrepreneur is able to produce goods at the cheaper cost. Availability of service centers: as each and every small scale undertaking unit established in the estate cannot afford to have their own service center, an industrial estate itself provide for the repair shop, a testing laboratory, etc. for the common benefit of all the small scale industrial units situated in that area. Minimum initial capital: since the reasonable sheds are offered to the industries either on the hire purchase basis or on rental basis, they need not to spend huge amount initially for the construction of the factory building. They have initial capital investment very thus they have very less amount of initial capital investment. Avoidance of unnecessary delays. While starting an industrial unit, an entrepreneur is required to comply with the various rules and regulations regarding the location of the factory sheds and obtaining infrastructure facilities. But if an entrepreneur obtains a ready-made premises in an industrial estate, he need not worry about all these things, as these are already constructed by the government itself by taking into consideration all the formalities well in advance. Hence, the unnecessary delay is avoided. Moreover, cordial relationship between the industries is also ensured. A rapid growth of industrial unit is made possible by fostering complementary relationship among them. For instance, some units may obtain raw material and semi-finished goods as the input from the other units in the same estate and offer a part of the production to the ancillary units in the same area. Thus, we can conclude that industrial estates minimize regional imbalances and reduce the cost of production to the minimum and enable small entrepreneurs to compete effectively with the larger unit, which in turn results in increase in the standard of living. Industrial estates in India. In India, industrial estate program was started in the year 1955 as per the recommendations made by the International Planning Team. The main objective of this program were to promote a rapid development of small scale industries and to promote decentralization and dispersal of industries and promote industries in the semi-urban, backward and rural areas. The first industrial estates was established in India was at Rajkot by the government in the year 1955. The responsibility of construction and the management of the industrial estate is in the hand of the state government, but the cost of building is advanced by the central government in the form of long-term loans to the state government. Site for the industrial estates may be sold outrightly or on hire purchase basis, or it can be offered on the rental basis as well. Hence, the government take the initiative of establishing the industrial estate instead of leaving its development to the private enterprises. Industrial estate program during the plan period in India. The industrial estate program was started at the end of the first 5-year plan for the purpose of setting up of the industrial estates in India. Initially, its main objective was the development of small scale industry, but during the third 5-year plan period, industrial estates were considered as an instrument for the promotion of industrial development in underdeveloped areas, especially the rural areas. Consequently, many small new industrial estates were set up nearer to the small and medium-sized town in India. The same policy was continued during the fourth and the fifth 5-year plan also. During the sixth plan, they have given importance to the industrially backward areas and the rural areas. During the first plan period, the government sanctioned a huge amount by way of loan for the 4 state governments, that is Kerala, Madras, Uttar Pradesh and West Bengal, for the purpose of setting up of the industrial estates. Reasons for the poor performance of the industrial estates in India: absence of pilot surveys. No techno-economic surveys were conducted by some state government before establishing industrial estates, and hence most of the industrial estates have less growth potential and have proved to be a waste of time and money spent on them. Lack of clear policy. There is no vigorous policy for the dispersal of industries on the part of the state government in India. There is no clear demarcation of industrially backward region in various states also. All these factors led to the poor performance of the industrial estates. Delays in providing infrastructure, improper planning of the estates and poor execution of the plan often lead to considerable delays in providing infrastructure facilities such as water, electric power, road, drainage, etc. Insufficient follow-up. There is no effective machinery to follow up and supervise the day-to-day operations of the industrial estates with the view to make it successful. Thank you.